Now, since this is your first time driving it, I'm gonna have you put it back into normal mode.
Okay.
So that's gonna be a little bit less power for you. So just
that's okay. You can leave it there.
You think so?
I can.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right, Nazir, this is your 1000R. Are you ready for it?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Wow, sounds nice.
Yeah, it's got a really nice, really nice tone to it. That's the exhaust valves are closed as well.
Okay. Okay.
So you can hear the tone change a little bit when we open them back up.
All right.
So like we talked about, we were going through your manual.
Yeah.
If you didn't already know this, when you go through, you first start your car, you're going to get your main menu. You got your gauge mode there. You can go to gauge mode.
Yeah.
And then this is going to tell you all your cylinder head temps, your axle oil temperatures, all that stuff. So right now our axle oil is already up to 91, cylinder head's at 149, and everything's climbing up now. So once we get to 170 on the engine temp, then we'll be able to start driving the car and having some fun with it.
All right.
So just check that stuff. But,
all right.
All right, let's take her for a drive.
All right.
Now your car is a 1000R, and then you also did a few other upgrades.
Yes, I did.
So you added the carbon fiber drive shaft. You added the carbon fiber drive shaft, axles.
Actually,
No, in the MoTeC. You did MoTeC too.
Yes,
Yeah.
MoTeC. Yeah.
What was your main reason to go to the MoTeC?
MoTeC was because of the way it controls, the way it grabs the car, is stabilized, because your factory, they don't stabilize as when you boost it up, they don't stabilize, they don't stay stable, they go everywhere. MoTeC, I heard, is pretty good.
Has really good traction controls.
Right.
Yep.
That's why I went to the MoTeC. And then plus, I want the power because MoTeC controls more better than a factory.
Absolutely.
You know, so that's why I went with the MoTeC. I know it's a little bit pricey, but I don't care.
The MoTeC's also got all the cool drive modes too, including the drag mode that we're going to switch to right now.
Absolutely. It's a ghost cam?
Yeah, the ghost cam.
Oh, I love this. I'm scared, my heart is pumping.
And then we also have your traction control too. You hold this button and it's going to move the traction control maps around.
Yeah.
So right now we're on traction control map 7, which is where we recommend for drag mode.
Okay.
That's gonna allow some tire slip, but keep it under control for you. Also, it's kind of like max acceleration for drag mode. So, you know, we've done testing to make sure to see what traction map works the best.
Yeah.
Which one allows a little bit of slip, and which one keeps the power coming down on the ground.
Yeah.
You always want a little bit of slip just to get max acceleration. So that's where we're at on that one.
All right.
We're just barely, part throttle, but you can start to feel the car.
Yeah,
start to feel the turbo starting to spool up a little bit and get some power down low.
Yeah.
Now this car also has boost by gear, so we're going to do a quick little hit here, and then through first and second, you're going to feel a lower amount of boost in first, so we can keep traction going.
Yeah.
And then when it hits second, you're going to feel a little bit more boost, and then when you hit third, you're really going to feel the car start to pull a lot harder. So.
Okay.
Kind of keep an eye out for that, but that allows us to make sure the car has optimal acceleration. It keeps going and keeps the car from spinning as much as possible.
Right.
Because if you're spinning, you're not winning.
Right. Exactly. There you go. That's what it is. That's why I don't want to do too much and then start spinning the wheels. And then I have to gather the bead lock and
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
I want to
be able to keep you on street tires. And
that's what I want. Yeah. So nobody can tell this is, made that kind of power.
Yeah.
I know the sticker says, but,
Yeah.
Wow. Damn.
You can feel it spin pretty good down low.
Oh, yeah.
It is spinning, but traction control is working.
Yeah.
It's got to overcome the difference between the car barely moving at all. Traction control, you really feel it work when you're up in a higher gear. You can look in the back, you see the traction patch will actually, it'll put down black marks and skip a little bit in between as the traction control's doing its job.
Okay.
You'll never feel it like close the throttle body like you would on a stock, stock setup.
Wow, sounds amazing. No drone in the car at all. It's a little bit, not much, but it's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you're like, we had the window down, window up, and then we've got the exhaust open so we can actually close it.
Yeah.
So now you have a pretty quiet car.
Yeah, like you're driving a stock.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Get a little bit of a highway roll feel for it.
All right. Wow.
That was just a quick little 30, no spinning at all in third.
Yeah. So this is all the way 962 horsepower?
Yep, that's 962.
Okay.
We are in drag mode.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's another important thing to know. You have a 1,000R car. We've got dyno charts in your owner's manual that tell you what each setting makes on each fuel. So you've got a full dyno chart that shows your normal mode, sport mode, track, and drag modes on 93, which are going to start around mid 700s on 93. You're going to go up to a little bit over 800 on 93, on 93 in drag mode. And then once you get to E85, everything's going to climb up to that 962 number.
Okay.
So you got a nice, over 200 horsepower swing, depending on the fuel and depending on the drive mode you're in.
Okay.
And we've even got the weather mode is active on these cars still too through the MoTeC. So when you go into weather mode, it's going to limit the throttle. Okay. So if there's ever a condition where you're stuck in the snow or anything like that, it'll help you get through that.
Yeah. Nice. Pretty good.
So we'll go up here and turn around and it'll get you in the driver's seat.
All right.
Now, since this is your first time driving it, I'm going to have you put it back into normal mode.
Okay.
So that's going to be a little bit less power for you. So just
that's okay. You can leave it there.
You think so? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Drive it like you stole it, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? How's it feel?
Oh my God. I like it.
This stoplight up here will be the shop. Get a little bit. Yeah.
Take a left or right?
Just take a right at the stoplight.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go past this one. Just to make it keep going straight, not where that white truck turned, but the next right turn. Okay. But then that road is pretty bumpy, so take it easy on that road.
Okay.
Yeah, right here. Like it?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it.
That's
I like it.
My favorite part is you getting to see it for the first time and feel it.
Absolutely.
Enjoy it.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to drive this car.
You're going to have a blast in it, for sure.
I'm sure I'm going to have people that are going to be shocked. They're going to be shocked. Say, wow.
It's a fast car. It's a lot of fun.
It is. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for building my car.
You're absolutely welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anybody has 350, 350R, come to Fathouse. They make amazing, amazing cars. Guarantee from me. I'm telling you, they do the best job you can have. Custom build. Custom. Not like other people. Custom. Contact Ben, and he will hook you up. All right?
My best salesman.
Right? Oh man,
Awesome.
it's awesome. Woo! My goodness, that thing is a rocket, man. Woo!